Let's start the tutorial by understanding the concepts of Hadoop Map Reduce. Map Reduce is a software framework for easily writing applications which process vast amounts of data in parallel on large clusters. Map Reduce is the heart of Apache Hadoop. It is this programming paradigm that allows massive scalability across hundreds of servers in Hadoop cluster. The term map reduce refers to two distinct tasks that Hadoop programs perform. The first is the map job. Map job takes input data, processes it, and produces key-value pairs. Then the reduce job takes those key-value pairs and combines or aggregates them to produce the final result. As the name refers, the reduce job is always performed after the map job. Let's discuss in detail about the map reduce paradigm using the fuel economy example given in previous tutorial. Let's discuss in detail about the map reduce paradigm using the fuel economy example given in previous tutorial. Assume we have fuel economy data file of size 1 GB. The data file is an Excel sheet with 4 columns having information of manufacturer name, mode of the car, number of cylinders and mileage of the car. What if user needs to find average mileage of the cars with n cylinders? Now the entire data file should be reduced to 2 columns. They are number of cylinders and mileage of it. As per Hadoop terminology, they are called as tuples with key and value. Here, number of cylinders represent key and mileage of car represent value. Each file has multiple readings of the key, that is, there are multiple cars within cylinders. Hadoop framework divides the data file into multiple files and each file is fed into a separate map task. The output of the map task produces key-value pairs for the entire data file. The output of the map task, that is the key-value pairs, are fed into reduce task. The reduce task initially shuffles the key-value pairs, such that values with same keys are brought into one place. This shuffled data is fed into combiner program where the values with same key are added and average of the key is obtained by applying the formula. Finally, the reducer combines all the outputs of multiple reduce tasks and fed them into a single output file. This map reduce job gives the average mileage for in-cylinder vehicles. The same task can be done by writing a simple Python script. But using map reduce parallel programming technique gives the output way faster when compared with traditional programming techniques. Here is the sample map reduce code for previously discussed problem. This program consists of a map class and reduce class. Map class contains methods to perform map tasks and reduce class contains methods to perform reduce tasks. Now let us discuss the life cycle of a map reduce job and the roles of the primary components. As we discussed the basic configurations of Apache Hadoop cluster in previous tutorial, every Hadoop cluster has a name node with a job tracker and multiple data nodes with multiple task trackers installed in it. Let's discuss what does the primary components of Hadoop cluster do. Firstly, the local job client prepares the job for submission and hands it off to the job tracker. Next, the job tracker schedules the job and distributes the map and reduce work among the task trackers for parallel processing. Next, the task tracker spawns map and reduce tasks. The job tracker receives progress information from the task trackers. Thus, job and task trackers are the vital components of Hadoop cluster as they play an important role in the life cycle of a map reduce job. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial on the Hadoop Map Reduce.